This is the realme N1 Sonic Toothbrush. Up until now, I've been using the realme M1, which is supposed to be a step up from this entry-level electric toothbrush from Realme Tech Life. I know this has been out for a while now, but I might as well use this opportunity because I am showcasing the front-facing camera of the Realme C55 at the box right here. Okay, so this will be our camera test. So let's get ahead and open it. So the features of this Realme N1 include 200 times high frequency motor, DuPont antibacterial bristles, 130-day battery life, quick cleaning modes, soft, safe food grade brush, and IP. It is also IPX7 water resistant, which is important in something that you put in your mouth and something that you wash all the time. Okay, so this appears to be as close as I can get to the camera without going out of focus. This is color blue and it charges at 15 volts. Alright, I have the toothbrush over here. So I'm just gonna take this out. This is the charger. It uses a USB Type C cable. See if we can get it to focus on what's in front of me. No, okay. Seems that it's still focusing on my face. So the camera on the Realme C55 focuses at a distance. I'm gonna take out the head. This is the brush head of the Realme M1. See the bristles. Is it focusing? Can we use this camera for vlogging? No? Okay, still focusing on the far end. I can see that it's focusing on the background. Anyways, I'm gonna take out what's this, the body or the main body of the device. And it already has a bit of charge in it. And we get it to focus, man. That's what we need from a camera that can do vlogs. So we're gonna put this inside. Alright. Wow, it's actually quite powerful. I can feel the motor vibrating really well. It's a little different from what I'm used to with the Realme M1 because that thing has a smaller, what do you call this, a smaller stub. And that's the thing that vibrates the entire head of the toothbrush. But in this case, this part is much thicker. So I guess it's. I'll have to see tonight when I brush my teeth. Okay, there is apparently a lock. You have to put this in. There's a peg over here, and then you have to put this in and rotate it, and that would prevent the head from falling off. This is the lowest mode. Okay, you have to press it right away. There are three modes. So this is the first mode. It's just a steady vibration. This is much higher frequency, or the vibration is much stronger. The last one is a pulsing vibration here. I don't know if it's visible in the camera, but yeah. Okay, so to end this video, I just received something from my friends over at CID Communication. It was actually my birthday recently, so I just wanted to open this and thank them. So thank you, CID Communications, especially Daisy, Erwin, Zane, and Ruth. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, our friends over at CID. Let me guess, this isn't a bottle of wine. Let's take a look. Ooh, Bouteille du Rhône. Okay, Bouteille du Rhône. I guess that's how you pronounce it, being French. Alright, thank you so much, CID. Cheers. Stay tuned for the hands on. We actually were planning an unboxing for the realme C55, but we're gonna try to do something different this time, alright?